William and Walker, Sasha Henry, and David and Joseph Petty from next door.
This is how I carry the roof.
Walker, you want some? And Princess Anne.
Break this roof out. I'm glad.
Here, Walker.
Look, I got a.
Here, Walker, this for you.
And you're eating the gingerbread out.
Oh, I'm gonna take a
Boys,
cereal.
let me tell you something. Wait. When you can't eat it anymore, you know what we can do?
What?
Take it outside and jump on it and kick it.
Yeah!
I mean, rather than just tear it apart and wait, you
And
don't
let the
just tear
dogs
it.
get sick on it.
Let's go and just kick it or blow it up. Does anybody have any firecrackers?
Blow it up.
I want to blow something up. Walker, you want peanut butter and jelly?
I think it's good.
Here you go. Walker.
Mom, this red matches my red boots.
Hey!
What? Say that again, William?
Show Aunt Lori.
William, what'd you
There
say?
you go.
Here it is, look. Show Aunt Lori.
This matches my red boots.
It does? Wow.
I got a speck of
Look,
pulling one of the
Sasha.
walls out.
What color was it?
No?
Red.
Red?
There you go.
Me, please.
Look, this matches them too. Last, you want a sucker that came from the gingerbread house? It makes me spicy. They're not spicy. Okay, let's blow it up now.
But let everybody finish their how much?
Can you give me another gingerbread? What's that?
Oh my gosh.
Come see this guy. Film it.
Carl is a structural engineer, so he could teach these children how to rebuild a house.
Is that Carl does?
But he big bridges, big, massive.
Carl, like the Bay Bridge.
Thing to do.
He builds big bridges. In fact, he's building big.
This is something you could use.
The house.
It's a hopeless exercise.
It's great.